Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make restaurant style garlic naan. For that, take above ingredients which is listed on the screen. So first thing we are going to do is take some milk, add semolina means suji, yogurt, salt, sugar, microwave it for 1 minute. Now on the side we are going to sieve flour, add baking soda, baking powder and oil inside. Now take it to the machine, the dough machine, and add our wet ingredients into dry until it forms a dough. It should be very soft dough, okay, like this. Now put the plastic wrap on the top and ferment it for 1 hour. Over here I am adding salt into 2 cups of water, dusting flour, coriander leaves and garlic, chopped garlic, and some butter. I'm using unsalted butter, okay. Now I'm using some oil to separate the dough out. Now roll it up like this using your hand or rolling pin. Once you see that it's rolled up, I'm using rolling pin at the end. It should be semi thin, not too much thin, but semi thin like this. And now we are going to sprinkle cilantro and garlic. This is a must, okay, do not skip that. Now you turn it and roll it again so that everything stays inside. Now make sure your tawa is hot at this time, okay. Sprinkle the salted water and generous amount of water on the naan. This is the important step, remember that. Now wet side stays down and the coriander side stays up. Cook it for 1 minute on high flame. After that you are going to turn and go in the circle with the tawa so that it cooks everywhere. And now here we go, our naan is ready. Now take it on the side on the plate and then you put the butter on, okay. Now you see the remaining ingredients on the tawas, just scrape it off and prepare for the next naan. Same way, here I'm just putting butter everywhere, generous amount of butter, okay. So here is my next naan. You see that I cooked it for 1 minute on high flame. Turn it and cook it until you see the brown spot everywhere. And here we go, my naan is ready. I hope my video was helpful to you. Thank you.